Hey girls, in today's video I will be using 3 different shades of green. On my face I put foundation, concealer, and now I'll begin with my eyes. I love this palette. It's Icon Beauty by Amalie Olsen. Has really nice, beautiful, different colors in it, and now I'll be using this one, darker one. This one shade, it has a little bit shimmer in it, so I'll be using on this lighter area now. It's good to use makeup fixing spray to let the color be as much as bright and beautiful as it can get. This eye is almost ready. I'll put mascara on and my eyelashes. So that one eye is quite ready. I will do the other one. You can see the final result. I'm done with other eye and done with the rest of my face. And yeah, that's it.